In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the voice conversation feature not working in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Voice chat issues can be frustrating, but don't worry. Together, we'll work through the quickest fixes step by step to get your microphone working again so you can start chatting like normal. This is actually a super common issue, and in most cases, it only takes a few minutes to resolve. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is ensure that your microphone access is allowed in your browser. If ChatGPT can't hear you, it's possible that the browser is blocking microphone permissions. So let's fix that. Open ChatGPT in your preferred web browser and take a look at the address bar next to the website's address. You're going to see a small icon there. This could either be a little lock symbol or a settings icon, depending on your browser. Click on that icon, and once you've done that, look for the option that says Microphone Permissions. You'll want to make sure that microphone access is enabled specifically for ChatGPT. If you find that it says blocked, go ahead and change that setting to allow. This simple step resolves the issue for many users because, remember, the browser needs permission to utilize the microphone in the first place. Next up, let's check your system microphone settings. Sometimes, the browser permissions are perfect, but your computer is just not allowing the microphone to function. If you're on a Windows machine, head over to your settings and navigate to either the Sound or Privacy section. From there, ensure that your microphone is enabled and verify that the correct input device is selected. If you're using a Mac, you'll go into System Settings, click on Privacy and Security, and then choose the microphone. Make sure that your browser has access here too. It's also wise to inspect your input volume and confirm that you've selected the microphone you intend to use as the default device. If the wrong microphone is chosen, then ChatGPT simply won't detect your voice at all. Once you've checked both your browser and system settings, it's time to refresh the page. Sometimes, ChatGPT just needs a fresh load to recognize those updated permissions. So, close your current tab or just hit that refresh button. Then, reopen the ChatGPT website and try the voice conversation feature again. This little trick can sometimes clear up temporary glitches and prompt your browser to reconnect to your microphone properly. If you're still having trouble after that, let's try a different approach by switching to another browser. It's worth noting that not every browser handles voice features in the same manner, and some are just plain better at supporting voice functionalities. For the best results, I'd recommend using Chrome or Edge, as they tend to work most reliably with ChatGPT's voice features. If you're already using one browser and running into issues, simply switching to another one could solve the problem swiftly. Also, be sure to check that your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers can create compatibility problems that make it tricky for microphone access and real-time voice features to function correctly. If, after all of that, your microphone is still silent, another tip is to unplug and reconnect your external mic. You might also want to test the built-in microphone if your device has one, just to determine whether the issue lies with the microphone device itself. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you have other applications open that might be using the microphone, you may want to close those too. Sometimes, another program has control over the audio input, which can block ChatGPT from accessing it. So to recap, first, allow microphone permission in the browser. Then, check your computer's microphone settings. After that, refresh the ChatGPT page. If it's still misbehaving, try using Chrome or Edge. In most cases, one of these strategies will get your voice conversation working again. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more easy ChatGPT fixes, AI tips, and step-by-step tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.